Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 24 of the 30-day meditation journey. We are almost nearing the end, and I am so proud of you for sticking with this. I know that it can be difficult, but just keep going. It will get easier. If you missed a couple of days, no big deal. Just get back on track. Also, if you are just joining us, please go back to day one for the introduction. And also, as mentioned before, I have a couple of meditation and self-love workshops that are pre-recorded and available, unlimited availability, so you can do them over and over and over again. And I will leave the link in the description box below. So let's get moving, or not. Let's just get going with our meditation. Get into a comfortable position, lying down or sitting up, where you won't be disturbed for 10 minutes. And just take this time for you and just relax. And when you are ready, close your eyes. Adjusting any clothing or any position. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. And another deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. Releasing. If you need to shake out your shoulders a little bit, then go ahead and do that. Just continuing to relax with every breath, releasing your day, your week. Allow your body to relax, your shoulders, your muscles. Allowing your face to relax as you breathe in and out. Just continue to relax, scanning your body for any resistance, any restrictions. Recognizing any thoughts or emotions that come in that you are maybe holding on to, or where you feel resistance around or agitation, and just release. Any sounds in the distance, just release them, just ignore them. And just continue to allow your body to relax, going deeper into that relaxation. Loving on your body, loving on your muscles, thanking them for everything they have done for you. Giving them the time, your body the time. This time is for healing and relaxation as your parasympathetic nervous system kicks in. Just allow your body to relax with every breath. Just continue to breathe. On the inhale, you're breathing deeply, allowing that belly to expand. And on the exhale, allowing that belly to go down. Just continue to breathe. Continue to breathe. Inhale, exhale, allowing the body to release, allowing the healing to happen on the inhale, and then on the exhale, releasing that whatever no longer serves you. Just continuing with the breath, with the flow of the breath. Allowing your body to relax even further, going deeper and deeper into that relaxation. If a thought comes up or an emotion, just acknowledge it and just get back into the breath, into the flow of the breath. Allow the body to relax. Allow your mind to relax, letting go of anything that might be holding you back. With every breath, you are releasing and letting go. With every breath, you intend for your body to heal, to provide nourishment, to give you nurturing. With every breath, you are oxygenating your entire body, your cells, your organs, your blood, everything. You are taking care of your body and your mind. Just continue to breathe. Just continue to breathe. The inhale, the exhale, allowing and releasing, nourishing and nurturing. Scan your body for any tension. And then just releasing with your breath. take a couple of more breaths. And then begin to bring your awareness back into your room, back into the space, and then back into your body. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. And when you are ready, rub your hands together and place your hands over your eyes. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.